In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram account without password. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon, click on these three lines right here, and then tap on the search bar. We just have to search for deletion or deactivation, and it will automatically redirect us into deleting our account. So let's just choose our Instagram and choose whether we want to deactivate or delete our account. So let's say delete. Just have to hit continue and give out the reason why do we want to delete our account. Say, you just have to hit continue, and then it says that it needs a password. Now, in order for you to not enter your password or to remember your password, all you have to do is to go to your Chrome, type in instagram.com. Now we just have to log in, and let's see if your browser remembers your password or the input password that you had. Let's say here. And as you can see, I have my password or my Instagram account signed into. All you have to do is to click on the show password right here. Now, if that still doesn't work, you just have to click on forgot password and then type in your email, phone, or username. Now, it will give you an option or direction as to how you can recover your Instagram password. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.